From global brands to local stands, AliExpress connects millions of buyers and sellers around the world, empowering people and creating opportunities. So now, if you're interested in earning passive income from AliExpress, it's wide open for you to profit. This is going to be a game changer. So make sure you don't miss this opportunity to earn more income with less effort. Here's even more good news for you. With one click, you can create self-updating AliExpress affiliate stores powered with OpenAI technology. XpressStore AI, the world's first AliExpress store builder with OpenAI, self-updating AliExpress stores with AI-driven reviews and articles, so it gets a lot of visitors and ranks high in Google. 100% fresh, new, and 1000% easy. Fully set up in just 30 seconds. Set up once and continue profiting 24/7. No tech skill or experience needed. Here are some amazing features of XpressStore. Online store that offers fresh original products with great demand from AliExpress. AI-driven reviews and articles, so it gets a lot of visitors and ranks high in Google. 13 social media sites and generate traffic from all the sites simultaneously. Get insights on all the traffic you generated from social media directly from your XpressStore AI dashboard. Keep your social media accounts fresh and engaging by regularly updating content. Customize each post or post it all as is. You can build unlimited sites. Ready-made DFY XpressStore AI to begin to profit and grow your network right away. 8 DFY XpressStore AI added to the user dashboard each month. Premium add-ins like drag and drop builder, live chat, and more. Grab and post viral content from any website. Rewrite the content in one click to make it yours. Import everything from the title to the images to all the text inside the content. Easy to use, no coding and no learning curve. Generate massive buyer traffic. Close more high-ticket sales quickly and easily. Spinner to make your emails unique. Publish articles more consistently. Automate your site. Skyrocket your income. Proven selling tools. Gain access to a proven sales page and video sales letter. Done-for-you selling platform. Agency license. A license to sell hosting payouts like your own product and keep 100% of the profits. XpressStore works in 3 simple steps. 1. Get instant access to XpressStore AI. 2. Choose store niche. Your store is ready in seconds. With XpressStore AI, you allow visitors to find products and review and click your affiliate links. 3. Enjoy commissions from 12% to 50% each. AI-driven unique product descriptions, reviews, and articles attract a lot of visitors and ranks high in Google. In order to generate big profits, there is no need to do anything. Just set and forget. XpressStore is everything you need. Check out the link in the description to watch XpressStore in action now.